Hi, I'm Emma, your virtual spokesperson for Focus 31. Thank you for joining me today for the blog article Turbocharge Your Business: Why Business Planning is Essential. Written by James Burgess, the founder of Focus 31 and best-selling author of Chaos: How Business Leaders Can Master the Power of Focus. Now, let's get started. In James's previous blog post, he passionately emphasized the critical importance of business planning. Let's dive deeper into why this practice should be at the forefront of every savvy business owner's strategy for success. First and foremost, business planning isn't just a mundane task, it's your secret recipe for success. Picture it as your treasure map in the ever-exciting and competitive world of business. No matter where you stand on your entrepreneurial journey, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this roadmap offers you clarity and focus to navigate through the dynamic landscape of opportunities and challenges. But wait, there's more. Effective business planning isn't just about setting goals. It's about unleashing your inner business superhero. Imagine crafting a plan that not only boosts your confidence, but also ignites a fire of purpose and direction within you. This plan empowers you to make well-informed decisions, conquer obstacles with gusto, and adapt like a true champion in the face of ever-changing circumstances. And here's the cherry on top. A robust business plan isn't a mere survival strategy. It's your ticket to becoming a dynamic, unbreakable leader. In a world where curveballs are the norm, your strategic planning arms you with the tools to gracefully navigate the unexpected challenges that come your way. It's your chance to shine, inspire others, and leave an indelible mark on the world of business. So, don't wait a moment longer. Embrace business planning as your dynamic, energizing companion on your entrepreneurial journey, and get ready to conquer the business world with style and impact. With that in mind, let's examine the 5 secrets to why business planning is important. 1. Wouldn't you love to clarify and achieve the future you've always believed in? As a business owner, your vision is your guiding star. It's the north on your entrepreneurial compass that points you towards success. Imagine the transformative power of completing a vision statement and witnessing your business's future become clearer, richer, more focused, and more compelling. One of the incredible aspects of business planning is how it can breathe life into your vision. It's not merely about drafting a document, it's about giving shape and structure to your dreams. When you put your vision on paper, it becomes more tangible, actionable, and attainable. It becomes a roadmap that guides you and your team towards shared goals. 2. Make informed, high-quality decisions. Operating in a planned environment empowers you to make better quality decisions. In the fast-paced world of entrepreneurship, decisions can make or break your business. The ability to make informed choices is a superpower that every business owner should possess. When you recognize that business planning can be both easy and fast, you'll find yourself making decisions with greater confidence. Say goodbye to knee-jerk reactions and helter-skelter marketing ideas. Embrace the opportunity to consistently implement your brilliant ideas with precision. Business planning provides the space and structure for careful consideration. It allows you to assess risks, weigh pros and cons, and explore alternative strategies. It's not about stifling creativity, it's about channeling it effectively. With a well-thought-out plan, you're not just making decisions. You're making the right decisions. 3. Prioritize what truly matters. Business owners often find themselves caught up in countless minor priorities, spending too much time on tasks that don't drive their businesses forward. We live in a world where distractions abound, and it's easy to get lost in the noise. This is where business planning comes to the rescue. We need to rise above the chaos and define what's truly important to our businesses. To do this, we require a thoughtful planning process to identify strategies and action plans that align with our goals. This process ensures that we focus our energy on activities that truly make a difference. Moreover, when inevitable distractions threaten to derail us, having a structured planning process helps us quickly get back on track and prioritize the activities that matter most. It serves as a compass that constantly redirects our focus towards our long-term objectives. Think of it as a filter that sieves out the noise and leaves you with the pure essence of your business goals. In the whirlwind of entrepreneurship, this clarity is invaluable. 4. Become a strategic powerhouse. Entrepreneurs excel in tactical execution, honed through the day-to-day operations of our businesses. We are experts at rolling up our sleeves and getting things done. But what about strategic thinking? Many of us haven't had the opportunity to immerse ourselves in the world of strategy as corporate executives have. However, being a great strategist is essential because it's through strategic development that we can set ourselves apart from competitors and achieve consistent growth, even in challenging economic times. Strategic thinking is about stepping back from the day-to-day hustle and taking a broader view. It's about asking the big questions. Where is my business headed? How can I differentiate myself in the market? What are the long-term trends that will impact my industry? What opportunities can I seize? When you engage in business planning, you're essentially putting on your strategist's hat. You're not just reacting to circumstances, you're shaping them. You're not merely navigating the present, you're designing the future. This shift in perspective can be a game changer for your business. If you found this blog, Turbocharge Your Business, Why Business Planning is Essential, valuable, and would like to work with James Burgess and the Focus 31 team to start your best practice business plan for free, then go to https://www.freebusinessplanning.com. Otherwise, look to the end of this blog article and discover additional business planning tools that are available to you through Focus 31. Bye for now.